start over. Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to pair your phone to your vehicle. So what you want to do on the Mercedes, you want to come here to the top menu. You use the knob on the center here in the dash center console, and then you can go up, push that up to go to Navi, then scroll to the right, you go to phone. When you're on phone, press down on the knob, and then you can see a phone if it's paired. But if it's not, you're just not gonna you're gonna see this where it says ready for Bluetooth connection. So once you're on the phone menu, okay, so pull back on this knob here at the center console until you come down here to the bottom. When you come to the bottom, go to connect devices, then push down on the knob, and that will select it. There's two ways to actually pair. You can search for phone from the device, from the vehicle I should say, but in order to do that you need to go to your device and turn on Bluetooth and make sure your device is discoverable. So if you don't know how to do that, the easiest way to pair is to just go connect through phone, select that, and then on your phone here you'd select pair. You'd go to, depending on what you have, Android or iPhone, but usually you'd go to settings and then Bluetooth connections, and then pair a new device, and then you click on some models, some phones you have to hit search for a new device, but you can see how MB Bluetooth shows there. It also shows right here, so we can select MB Bluetooth on the phone, and then it will show, do you want to pair or do you want to authorize this. We'll press on the center console of the car again, we'll press yes there, and then we press pair on the phone, and then it makes sure that the number that shows on the phone matches with that passkey on the car there, but it should. Press yes, and then it'll take a few seconds, and then it will pair that's what you need to pair. Now on your phone it will show allow access to messages. So if you do that, then your messages will pop up on the command screen over here. So it's up to you. Usually you might want to do allow, but if it's a car that you're renting, you might want to hit deny on that. And also the phone might, or the car might ask you for permission to your phone numbers. So what that would do is it will allow you to pull the phone numbers from the vehicle. So you have like a phone book right here, and you can scroll through the numbers. But if you don't want that, again, if it's a rental car, you might want to not store your phone numbers on that rental vehicle, because the numbers will get stored in the car. But that's it, and it's pretty straightforward. It takes a few minutes. Thank you for watching.